Hi guys, a new day, a new vlog. We are off out today. We are going, this is like our last full day of New York, so we was going to say we're going to make most of it, but it's actually 12 o'clock already because I haven't been feeling too good, as you probably know, and then caught up with us, I guess. Guys, guess what? We've just had the back. We're going to this McDonald's here for lunch. Well, breakfast for us, but lunch time I think now. We also need to go to all of these I Heart NY gift shops because we just need to get some of these happy gifts for our family.
Hold my breath just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel it break. I'm alive, but I would never be a loner.
Guys, we're ordering the 40 nuggets. We're hungry to be fair. Yeah, drink please. Oh, they've got their orange Fanta.
So,
She's like orange juice.
£3 for orange juice. Alright, thank you.
Guys, we just got our McDonald's. Look how big these Dr. Peppers are, but we've got 22 nuggets each. And look at the view as well of Times Square. How nice is that? So we're going to go and eat our food now, and then we're going to head off to, I think, Central Park. We've come to like a luxury ice skating, and Henry's not letting me ice skate.
Huh?
Not letting me ice skate.
I said it's up to you, and you went, nah, we'll come back later.
Yeah.
Exactly? Yeah?
$21 each though, ice skate. I think it's only half an hour as well.
I'd rather,
We could do it later.
I'd rather do it at the German market for £7.
It's not £7 price to go to the German market. It's more than that. Now let's go shopping and then have a look. Henry's really undecided whether to get a hoodie or
Cargos or some more shoes.
Or some more shoes. But I think he should get cargos because he's already bought a pair of shoes this trip. And he doesn't need any more shoes, even though he says he does. And then I feel like he needs more clothes than shoes.
You can't pack any more shoes.
Well, exactly, you can't pack them. You have to leave you're going to leave the box behind of the shoes that you... Yeah, I was going to say. Look at this shopping centre. Look at the stairs. Smudger. It's kind of like tripping me out a bit though. Do you not think these like weird like panels? I know, but it's just weird. Very strange. Henry's buying some trousers finally, so I can shut up about them. Everything's half price though, isn't it, in the shop? Yeah. So Henry obviously had to go and cop some.
Ever loving all of my days.
I think we should get something for the Christmas tree. Something cute like that. I'm definitely going to get something for the Christmas tree. We'll get some... Henry, I've told you once and I won't say it again.
It's on sale, it's only £36.
But no, we're not taking this home. The glass is definitely going to break in the case, I don't trust it. We'll get something else like it, but we're not taking the glass in. I feel like I have to keep stopping and starting this vlog because I'm definitely going to get copyrighted. But I'm thinking something like this for like my family. Get my brother something like this. I think he'll appreciate that. But I'm actually thinking about him right now. Yeah, I like this one. Get one. That's a nice one.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
I like that. What about these down here as well? No.
No, I quite like.
That's alright.
Yeah, I think I like the other one better still.
Sick that one. Show me the one.
I think yeah, I'll get that one.
Them two.
I'm gonna get this one for my mum. You get that one for your mum, and I'll get this one for my mum then. If you like that one better.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
The price is the same anyway. How much is it? 15. The guy's just giving us a basket. He thinks that we're going to spend all our money in here.
Probably are.
Oh god. Yeah, there's literally loads of stuff. I kind of want to get a statue. Do you not think we should get a picture frame, Henry, and then when we print our pictures off, you can put one in? I picked up this for my brother. I don't know why, I just did. I got a couple of tea towels to just give to like my family. I also picked these up from Urban Outfitters. Some BDG cargos, khaki ones, so they're pretty sick. I picked this top up from Zara. I think it looked pretty cute. And then last couple of bits I picked up from Sephora. The other day I picked up a Fenty skin tint, but I picked up some Refy products. I picked up the bronzing cream in tan, and then I also picked up the lip sculpt in up. So yeah, I'm going to try these in a bit when I get ready for tonight's dinner. Henry, would you like to show everyone what you bought?
You can show them.
Why?
I'm camera shy.
Oh, shut up. So Henry got this. Hold it up. This top from JD. Yeah, I don't really know why you got it. You liked it, didn't you?
It goes with my shoes.
Oh yeah, it goes with his shoes that he bought the other day. And then he's bought basically the same as me, and then just like a mug. He also picked up these cargos. He got these cargos from Fifth Avenue. It's basically like, I think it's like the American Selfridges, isn't it, pretty much? Yeah. And they're Stone Island cargos. Oh, are you going to wear those tonight? Yeah.
Probably.
So yeah, he's picked up basically a new outfit. I have picked up basically a new outfit. I think it's a pretty successful shopping day today. We're gonna get ready. We've got Hard Rock Cafe tonight. This is our last night here, isn't it? We've got a late flight tomorrow, but obviously we won't be here tomorrow night, which is a bit sad. So we actually do need to do some packing as well, I think.
I'm not packing.
Yeah, you are, because I'm not doing it last minute.
I'll do it in the morning.
Well, you know, you'll do it tonight.
What?
Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go into Times Square as well again, and we're gonna go to like a few more shops tonight, like some like sweet shops. So we need to get like a load of sweets and chocolate to take home, because we kind of need to get those in our suitcases as well. Like everyone's bridesmaids. We're gonna get out now to the Hard Rock Cafe. We're gonna go shopping. I think I'm gonna get some Apple headphones. Don't come for me. But I'm gonna spend my money. I didn't mean to zoom in then. But I thought I'd do a little OOT of the nights. I've got my True Religion jeans on. I have this new top that I purchased today from Zara, and then Henry has his new shoes on. Woo! He's got his new trousers on. Woo! And he's got a new top on. Woo! He thinks he looks great, don't you?
Better than you.
Oh, that's nice. I'm just gonna put on this Zara jacket I picked up a couple of days ago. I've literally been wearing it non-stop, guys, can't lie. And then this is going to be my outfit of the night, I think. Little cute fit. But can't lie, it's going to be freezing, so I don't really know how this is going to go down, but we're just going to wing it. We're just going to wing it.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Guys, we've just come all this way to go and get ourselves some AirPod Maxes, you know, like the headphones. And there's none in stock anywhere in New York apparently, so that is great. So now we're gonna get some, I guess, when we get back home, but a bit annoyed because obviously I wanted to like wear them while I was like on the flight on the way back. But I mean, you win some, you lose some, don't ya?
This is not very happy.
But I'm not happy at all. And also it's hilarious because in the shop, Henry was about to grab a box and there was behind a window screen, weren't they?
And there's two blokes there.
Embarrassing. Now we're literally on our way to go and get some food at the Hard Rock Cafe. Last night. We're gonna go to Times Square later, yeah?
Yeah.
For the last time. So we're gonna share something, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because I can't stomach all of that food. That massive guitar. We've been told to come down here. We need to get a table button. That's the way you want it. Wow. Just got to Hard Rock and Henry's not happy about the seating, are you, darling? Yeah. Henry, they're just putting the two people here, that's why. Yeah, it's kind of a nice vibe still. Okay. Our food's just come. Look how big the plates are. I've had salmon. I've actually been a bit healthy today. I've had my greens. Henry's had a dirty burger, which has got like everything on it.
No, not messy.
Oh, messy
Lionel
burger.
Messi burger.
I thought it was a dirty burger. Anywho, I'm gonna eat these now. Henry's over, film this.
Chinky for Michael.
Man versus food. Yeah, go. That's disgusting.
I can't give it till I hit the ground. Never loved myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm never the guy.
All these guitars. My Times Square now on the red stairs. This is probably the last time we're going to be here now. So it's really sad. And Henry's too interested in the TikToker to be interested in me right now. So yeah.
All the time. I'm watching.
That's nice. So yeah, we're literally here for the last time. So I thought I'd give you guys a little clips. We're definitely going to be back again, aren't we, Henry? Let's be honest. Be sad with me then.
No, I'm watching these guys. Get sturdy, man.
Oh, sure.
Sturdy in Times Square.
Guys, it's the last time Times Square now.
Bye.
We're back in M&M World. Should we go upstairs? It's got all the sweets upstairs, isn't it? Exciting.
I love you till I'll never look out.
Gonna get me them? How much are they? Okay, guess not. What am I getting for Valentine's Day, Henry?
Not one of them.
These are cool still.
Till I'll never look out.
Get some of those. Strawberries and cream, cookies and mint. Oh, birthday cake, Henry. You gonna get one of each?
Yeah.
This is like a little small section in Hershey's, and I'm really tempted because look how good these look. Oh my god. Are we gonna open it when we get back? Yeah. Guys, we got the small. You saw that we went to the Hard Rock Cafe. I actually picked up a top for my brother because we did this last time that we went to Hard Rock in Tenerife. Like I literally just like pick up something from the shop for my brother. And then obviously in Hershey's you saw as well, we got the s'mores and we had the cookies and cream one, so we're gonna go and eat that now. And then Henry actually got, we got milkshakes as well, yay. And then Henry went a bit mad on the Prime and he bought like loads of Prime drinks and he doesn't even like them.
I'm gonna sell them.
He wants to sell them, but I think it's just a joke. Just a joke, really. Guys, we're going home in a bit. We're packing up now. Last little room tour. Struggling to close my case. It's definitely going to weigh over 23 kg. So sad. Weigh it then first before you put the lock on.
Christ.
Why is it over there? What is it?
24.
Oh fuck, are you taking the piss? Just come to Subway, got a little Fanta, and then I'm literally sharing a sandwich with Henry. It's like the chicken teriyaki one. I was in TK Maxx. I said TK Maxx, but the American version. Henry showed them what you're gonna buy. It's gonna get a little flask. We're back in Central Park now for the last time before we go back to England. Yeah, I think it's so weird that how it's a park, but then you've got buildings like. Do you know what I mean? It's like a park, yeah, in a park in the middle of like loads of buildings. I'm actually gonna miss it quite badly. I'm not gonna miss all the walking about though. Bloody hell! Look at the little horses. You won't let me go on a little horse ride, will ya?
Nice.
$80 to take you around.
We can walk.
True.
Use your legs, you lazy bugger.
Oh, look how cute they are. Oh, look at him. Oh, how cute. Guys, if you've been watching my past vlogs, every single vlog, we have been saying that we're going to go ice skating and we just never do. So actually this time we are going ice skating, but we're going to go to Central Park because it looks really cute in Central Park, and also I was going to say it's less than busy, but actually it turned out to be quite busy.
Get too much even though you never earned it. Sometimes I
Henry always shows up when we ice skate. It's actually hilarious. I've decided I'm absolutely rubbish at ice skating, but it had to be done. It had to be done on the last day. We've just come to a place called Junior's that we literally came to like at the start of the week. This is the vibe here. We've just ordered a drink and we're gonna have just some. I think Henry wants these little cheesecake, don't you? Yeah. And then I want a chocolate fudge brownie. Henry will also wanted to sit at one of these tables that you're at the bar. Henry's had a cheesecake, chocolate cheesecake on brownie, and it is massive. Oh my god. We're walking back to the hotel now.
Would you stay at the hotel or would you stay at that again?
Yeah.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. We stayed at TBA Times Square, guys, if you're wondering.
Place to
It's
stay,
like
isn't
a
it?
good place in Times Square to stay. And it's actually okay price, isn't it? To
And
be
it's a
fair.
nice room as well.
Nice
Like,
room.
big bathroom.
We upgraded to the suite room.
Deluxe.
Yeah, which was needed.
Not much more though. It's still
No,
quite cheap, isn't it?
yeah.
For what you get.
Guys, this is the hotel we have been staying in. Just gonna go get our luggage now, but yeah, this is the hotel and it is like so central to Times Square. Brilliant one stay, guys. Guys, we've just gone and got all of our luggage now. We're gonna leave in a sec, but we're just waiting in like the little lobby. How cute is it? Little waiting bit. Also, I've just tried this and it's so nice. I've also bought loads of chewing just bought this one. You can't have this one in the UK, can you, Orbit, or can you? Bubblegum. And then we definitely don't have this in the UK, do we? Extra watermelon chewing gum. So yeah, we're all ready to go now, aren't we? We're gonna go though now. Also, my coat is so dirty with foundation. It's gonna wash when I get back. Should we go? Should we go? Come on then, let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Bye, New York. No? Bye, New York. Bye, New York. Kept all of our bags in and out past security, so panic over. Henry's ready for the flight, as you can see. We're just going to order the bolognese. We're just going to get some water just before our flight. Bolognese has come. Looks lovely. We're just going to share this. We're definitely going to feel hungry. I know. We'll get something else after. We'll go somewhere else if you want. If you still want to get this. Right guys, we're going to end the vlog here because we're going back home now. Sad. But yeah, I thought I'd say thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you haven't watched the rest of my vlogs, make sure to check those out. I'll leave everything in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and see you guys next time. Bye.